My people, I don't bring on another kasala oh. Wahala for who no dey date one person. Now so they catch this girl for restaurant oh. She dey, in fact, if they even tap that girl at that moment, she no go even wake up. She don't go. Person sit down near her and no be her boyfriend. And so her boyfriend come enter the place, come see her with another bobo. Come see wahala. Now so the boy come approach them. Oh. Hey, wahala. Before you know, my people, now so I just see person we no wear wig cap again. He remove wig cap, he remove shoe, he remains small self if we even take her handbag so that she go trek go house. And the thing wey come shock me pass, person wey sit down there with this girl, Ijapa. Also, abeg for una wey no know wetin dey happen, join me make we watch them.
Hello. The guy will get you. Guy, let me talk to her. Guy, the guy will get you.
Rubbish, no.
She won't come here now. She don't want to.
Please stop recording. Please stop recording.
Oh, abeg oh, forgive me say I dey laugh. The thing just too dey funny. I know say now go come insult me because sorry. Oh yeah, make I no laugh again. See, my people, in as much say I know they support wetin the man do, but see, e dey sweet me somehow because women una no dey like the one place. E good for you, my sister. E sweet you. In fact, I wish say I gave you lollipop now. I go lick am for you. E sweet you. How you go eat your cake and still get am again at the same time? When you don see am, na witchcraft. You dey date this one, you still go dey only you. You be mother Abraham. You wan carry everybody. E no dey possible because imagine. I just see this guy now wey come carry wig cap, carry shoe, carry this thing. Abeg in as much as say una go dey condemn am, me too I dey condemn am. Reaction not too good. But my people, if na you, wetin you go do? You know say no be everybody get cool temper. Some people own. See, wetin you go take as aggression, na wetin another person go just look smile. So everybody get your own way wey dey behave. Ladies, make your money. Una say no. Work for your money. No. Everything woman go dey ask man. Baby, I want wig cap. Now the wig cap you don remove now. I dey sure say even the shoe, na the man buy am. You no carry the handbag because no be him buy am. Any small thing una go want pad, bathing sponge, this one, toothbrush, everything una go dey wait make man buy am for una. Una no go experience embarrassment. I no dey support wetin she do, but at the same time, na lesson wey we go learn. Imagine say na this girl buy everything by herself. Highest na just okay. If he confront them, then wait for her make she come house or make they meet, then they go settle matter. But because she don't allow this guy overdo. The guy don't come now, come carry all the things when using sweat by now. I be waiting. I beg see. I know they thought say independent women, their boyfriend no fit give them something, but again respect wey they go give you. In as much as no, make una check am. Check all those ladies wey dey do everything by themselves. I'm not to say they know they need help, but once in a while, you understand? Check them. Even if they cheat, e get how the guy he go bring the matter with respect, with you understand? But when man no say you know, in fact you dey useless. No, wait, abeg see, I'm not even wan start dey bring many matter here. The one now wey even make me wan jump fly, na that one wey stand up. Omo, the guy run because person wey get mind remove wig cap. No, imagine wetin e go do to you. If he fit do this thing to person wey I no even know how many years they don dey together, but I dey sure say he love am. Imagine wetin e go do to that one. Chai, wahala wey bone straight. Charlie, but my brother, you wey run, e be like say your head no correct. Well, instead of you make you sit down, abi you be man? You be man na, sit down. Defend her. You say you love her, so na this time now you suppose show say you love. Now wow, your main boyfriend weary, your side hen or there. Una no go gree look for responsible people, reasonable people wey una go date. You dey look for person wey go support you, sponsor you every corner. You don face am now. See, I no dey support the girl o. You understand? I no dey support am, but the embarrassment sef, no, e reach. Imagine for public. You know say we ladies, we no dey play with our wig cap. When we don cover her like this, our face don change. Now you just come outside, come. Chineke. Abeg, you don carry wetin you dey look for as you dey cheat. Ngwanu, no go make your money. Continue dey sit down there. Even after this one happen, I know say she go look for next victim. You go look for another one now wey you go dey do the same thing, See, my sisters, sometimes forget laugh wey I dey laugh. Men dey try. Men they go get their own personal problem. They go carry family problem. They go carry, in fact, some of them even get siblings where they go school. Many wahala. So upon all that problem, e still dey take care of you. And you get mind go. Anyhow sha, as matter reach me sef, they say Madam Aproko, if you be say no be relationship, maybe they just be friends. Ngwanu, but since nobody explain anything, the girl too sit down there, nobody gree talk. It don't happen. It don't happen, my people. So this one now, na another discussion for another day, because as it is now, that one don vex go. And I dey sure say now na breakup go come happen. My people, abeg, make we work hard. My fellow women, make we work hard to avoid all this kind, you understand, and stay faithful. If you don't decide say na this person you dey date, why you still dey jump go another place? Stay one place. You don't know where your blessing go come. Na so una go dey jump. Abeg, that one sef no even be my consignment. My own now be say, any of una wey no say una know this guy number, the one wey carry that wig cap, make una give me. I need call that guy, understand? Because if I say that wig cap na Bond Street, and I never buy Bond Street, I need make I call her so that you understand me and I feel discuss. Wetin be una business? I just want ask her something so that we go. You understand? Wahala for Bond Street to my brother. Abeg, if you dey watch this video, locate me. Very important. Me and you get serious discussion. My people, abeg, drop your comment for that comment section, so that we go battle this thing. Who dey right, who not dey right. I know say many of una get plenty things wey una go talk. And make sure say una share this video so that that guy especially go hear me and go locate me, and make other people know wetin dey happen. And make sure say you subscribe. Very important. Stay tuned for our next story.